Hello, Louis Fondo. Yes, ano yung naiisip po natin kapag narinig natin yung name na Nora Honor?
Icon. Naniniwala ako that Nora is an icon. From her movie, yung famous line niya na walang himala. Diba? So, Nora is an icon.
Yeah.
Haligi ng industriya.
That's so cool. Aside from Himala, which is her best known work, may iba ka pa bang alam na works niya and ano yung mga nagustuhan mo, if ever?
The one na yung I did not kill anybody.
Yeah, that's Floor Contemplation Story. Yeah.
Saka meron siyang isang nagustuhan ko before. I don't know if it's with Albert Martinez. Tsaka Lydell Martinez.
Sithi yata yun. Yeah, Sithi.
Di ba parang
that's nice, yeah. It's one of our newer.
Oo. And sobrang iconic ng mga pinagagawa niya. Like, pag napanood mo, you will really stick with you.
Yeah.
Magaling siya.
So, bonus question, if you're gonna meet Nora, what are you gonna say to her? Like, what if she's here?
Siguro, I'll just remind her of who she is.
Wow.
She's done a huge milestone in terms of kung paano nag-evolve yung cinema and all. She's done great work. Yung kanyang, kumbaga, discography sa filmography niya, sobrang talaga, iconic talaga. Tsaka naalala ko yung film nila ni Vilma Santos na nagtitrend minsan, yung mata-mata acting. Yung pa rin yun eh. So, doon mo malalaman pag iconic yung tao na pag-uusapan pa rin ang pag-artista. So, yun lang.
Okay.
So, I hope she's proud of what she's done and just enjoy kasi she's an icon already. Yun lang.